In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Apple Pay on Amazon. While Amazon doesn't support Apple Pay directly in most regions, you can still use your Apple Card by adding it like any other credit or debit card. Here's how to set it up and check out smoothly. Start by opening the Amazon app on your device. On the home screen, tap the account icon, which you'll typically find along the bottom of the app. That opens your account hub. From there, select your account to see all your account settings and preferences. Next, scroll down until you find your payments. This is where Amazon stores your cards and payment options. Open it, and under Cards and Accounts, choose Add a Payment Method. On the next screen, select Add a Credit or Debit Card. Even though we're aiming to pay with Apple Pay, this method works by adding your Apple Card as a standard card on Amazon. Now enter your Apple Card details carefully: the card number, the expiration date, the security code, and the name on the card. Make sure everything matches exactly as shown on your card. It also helps to ensure the billing address you use on Amazon matches the billing address associated with your Apple Card, as mismatches can cause declines. When everything looks correct, tap Add and Continue. Amazon will save your Apple Card to your account. You may notice a brief verification or a small temporary authorization. That's normal when adding a new card. If you'd like to make checkout faster in the future, you can set your Apple Card as your default payment method. Setting a default simply means Amazon will pre-select this card when you make purchases, though you can always switch to a different card during checkout. When you're ready to buy something, proceed to checkout as usual. On the payment screen, select your Apple Card from the list of saved payment methods and finalize your order. Your purchase will complete using your Apple Card, giving you the convenience and benefits of that card. Even though Apple Pay itself isn't directly supported in most regions on Amazon, that's the whole process. To recap, you're not paying with Apple Pay directly, you're adding your Apple Card to Amazon and selecting it at checkout, just like any other credit card. It's quick to set up, works reliably, and keeps future purchases simple. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.